Hi amazing people, I wish that you're very happy, very fine and enjoying your life as well, and I welcome you on behalf of our company FESGI Consultant and Education Services. And in today's video I'm going to teach you French language, because if you're planning to go to France, Canada, Luxembourg, Switzerland and Belgium for any purpose, like if you want to study there, you want to do a job there, you want to start your own company, you want to apply for a spouse visa for your husband or wife, if you want to be a doctor, and also if you want to get the PR of Canada, I think in all these cases it is paramount for you to learn French language to achieve all your future goals. And I'm an expert in French language. I have been to so many French speaking countries. So now I want to help you to achieve all your goals. So now without wasting further time, let's learn French language. And now you can see on your screen, it's a whiteboard. And I have prepared a lot of things for you to make sure that today in this first video, I can help you to enhance your knowledge about the basic fundamental vocabulary greetings in French language, and then you can use these small words with your friends, family members, to make sure that at least you grasp these basic words which are very important and necessary for you to learn in the first video. So now without wasting time, let's focus on the French greetings, like the first word which comes into our mind whenever we talk about French language, and that's called bonjour. Bonjour, bonjour. Here I have written here bonjour. You can see how we write the spelling bonjour. This word has a lot of meanings, and this word you can use with anybody, anytime. If you don't know anything, then this word will help you and will save you from any unexpected bad situation where you don't know what to say, how to greet. So this word you can use with anybody, like in a formal way, informal way, in any situation. So you can see here it has a lot of meanings like hi, hello, good day, good morning. So throughout the day you can use this word if you don't know anything. So bonjour is the word you have to know whenever you're learning French language. So bonjour to everyone. And now let's talk about the next word, salut. Salut, salut. This word also we can use to say hi, but we can use this word with someone we know very well, like colleagues, like friends. So this is very specific. So whenever you want to say somebody hi, salut, salut. And then we have next word, coucou. Coucou. Cuckoo is the word which you cannot use with everyone. You can use with your loved ones, with your family members, somebody you know very well. So this is something like personal, So this is also something specific, according to situation. So now you have three words in your mind like bonjour, salut, coucou. So keep in mind, and if you want to talk to your family member, somebody you can use every day like bonjour, salut, coucou. So this will help you to fix into your mind. And now let's talk about other words which are very important as well. Like here you can read bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi means afternoon, good afternoon. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Then we have the next word, bonsoir. Bonsoir, bonsoir. You can either follow the same pronunciation right now, or maybe you can pause my video, go back, and again you can check how I'm pronouncing. Pronunciation is not very important right now because this is the first class, but yeah, later on you will feel confident and then you can focus onto the pronunciation and also the accent. So here bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir means good evening, good evening. Good evening. Now let's talk about the next word, bonne nuit. Bonne nuit, bonne nuit, bonne nuit, bonne nuit. Practice, practice and practice. And that means good night. Good night, bonne nuit. So whenever you are going to sleep, so you can use this word bonne nuit to someone you want to say good night. So you can say bonne nuit, bonne nuit. So now I hope you got the gist of the French greetings, like how you can say, how you can write, and what are the meanings. Now let's talk about something like whenever we meet somebody, we say, hey, hi, how are you? How are you doing? So whenever you are meeting with someone very first time, so you can use this sentence like comment allez-vous. You have to remember one thing: whenever you have one word and it has ending consonant, and again the next word is starting with vowel, so you have to you have to use the sound of two words, and you have to use that sound together. For example, comment allez-vous. This will happen, but it's just a beginning, so I don't want to emphasize more on that because you will be confused. But in future videos you will get to know, because I will explain everything, how to use that, why we are using the sound together, comment allez-vous. And remember, it's a formal way to express somebody, like to express how are you to somebody you don't know. But if you know somebody, then you can use comment vas-tu. So I think you have understood that this one, comment allez-vous, we can use with someone we don't know for meeting first time, and this one, comment vas-tu, with someone we know very well. So whenever you want to give answer like how are you feeling, so you can say je vais bien. Je vais bien means I'm fine, I'm okay, I'm good. So that's how you can tell somebody who is asking you how are you doing. So you can say je vais bien, je vais bien, je vais bien. Now let's focus on something also important, because now I told you this way to ask somebody, but we also have other ways to ask somebody like how are you in the informal way, like somebody we know very well. So we can also use other ways to ask somebody how are you doing. For example, here you can see ça va. So you can simply ask ça va, and also you can ask comment ça va, comment ça va. This is informal, like with your friends, colleagues you know very well. So you can say ça va, comment ça va. So you can reply très bien, ça va bien. If you're okay, you can say ça va bien, okay, everything is good, I'm okay, fine, life is good. But if it's not good, then you can say ça va mal. Ça va mal means nothing is good, I'm not happy, like I'm not fine. So somebody will ask something and he or she will understand, okay, ça va bien, that means everything is okay in your life, no problem. Ça va mal, things are not good as you are thinking. So that's how you have to understand the meaning. So ça va, comment ça va, très bien, ça va bien. So that's how you can express how are you feeling. So I told you the two ways. Here you can use the formal setting like je vais bien, comment allez-vous, comment vas-tu. So that's very easy now. I hope you understood like how to use in which situation, in a formal way or informal way. Now let's talk about the next point. We use in English the word please. So in French language we also have the word s'il vous plaît, and also you can say s'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît, when vous is coming, so you have to understand that we are talking about like politeness, respect. So you can use s'il vous plaît, you can say please. And if you want, like you know somebody very well, so you can say s'il te plaît, s'il te plaît. So here we have to use the pronunciation s'il te plaît. Here we can use s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, venez ici, please come here. So that's how you can use s'il vous plaît, s'il te plaît to say please. And now let's talk about the new word. Here you can read enchanté, nice to meet you, pleased to meet you. So in English language, whenever we meet with someone, so we use this word like nice to meet you. So in French language we have only one word, and that's called enchanté. Here enchanté, that's how you have to pronounce. So just try to get the same pronunciation as I'm speaking. Next word, in English language we often use excuse me so many times. So in French language also we use, here you can read excusez-moi. That's the pronunciation, excusez-moi. So that's how you can use. And now you know very well that whenever we want to say somebody like bye, goodbye, so we have to use the word in French language au revoir. Here you can read au revoir. So this is, you can say bye, au revoir, bye, goodbye. And the next word we have is désolé. In English language, whenever we want to say sorry, so in French also we can say désolé, désolé, je suis désolé, I am sorry, désolé. So you can use this word désolé, désolé. So I hope this is something I wanted to share with you, because I want to make sure that today you understand the basic important words, so that now onwards you can start using with your family members and try to fix into your mind, or you practice a lot. That's why then you can easily fix into your mind. So I hope that's enough in today's video. In next video I will teach you something new. So thank you so much and keep learning French language. So now I believe that you have thoroughly understood everything and you have learned something new today in French language. And also we offer French language classes. So if you want to make better your French language, writing, reading, listening and speaking, then you can simply contact us via call, WhatsApp and Instagram, and that's how we can connect, and then we will help you thoroughly to make better your French language, so that you can achieve your goals, you can fulfill all your dreams, and that's how you can be successful in your life. And that's the goal we have. In short, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also give the thumbs up, press the bell icon button to make sure that you get the notification and you can watch all our videos. So finally, thank you so much for your precious time. Best of luck. Take care.